Want to know how to turn this into this? Then keep watching. Hey guys! So OpenArt have just released an awesome new feature, which enables you to give your AI influencer realistic skin. And for real, I think it does a great job. They have also just launched their new dashboard, which is a huge upgrade from the first. And they have added this feature that will make your workflow so much easier, as I'm about to show you. So let's do this. Head over to OpenArt and sign up for an account if you don't have one. They offer cheap packages, and you can use my code on screen for discount. Now on the homepage, at the top you will see Go to the new Workspace. Click here. This layout is so much cleaner, and everything all in one place. Honestly, they have done a great job. And I will say, hands down, it is one of the best out there. So let's take a look at that feature I was talking about. Click Create Image. Now on the left, you will notice a pinned panel. Here is where you can pin your favorites, so all the tools you use on a day-to-day basis are easy at the ready for you. So if you want to add something new, you can. Either on each of the thumbnails will be a pin icon, or you can click Add Tools, and then, next to that tool you would like to add, you can click the pin. And now, as you can see, it has been added to the list. Let's add another. And there it is. Now also, if you click to the left on the dots, you can rearrange these into the order that you would like. Another awesome feature is now you can group all in one. So let me zoom out and then select each image, and you will see a bar appear at the bottom. And here we can download, add to favorites, or add to collection, or even delete them if you do not want them. So click Add to Collection. Now we can see our collections. So click New Collection, and I'm going to call this Skye, and then click Add. Now, if we click Collections up here, you can see it has made a new collection with the images we just added. Incredible, right? Okay, now let's get into the tutorial. So, you know when you create an AI influencer and her skin is plastic, sometimes doesn't look realistic? Well, Vellum Skin Enhancer could be the fix that you need. Now we are going to take this image of me, and we are going to create multiple versions at different levels to see the results. So drag in the image you are going to enhance, and you will see the instructions under Skin Texture, depending on your image. The first we are going to set to 1.5, and then click Generate. See the difference? But if that is a bit too much, then play with the setting as I mentioned. So let's do another. I'm going to set it to 0.7. That is more realistic, but let's see what would happen if we went even lower on the scale. Let's set it to 0.5. That looks awesome. But say if we had our character at a distance. Let's load in this image and generate at 0.5. Now that is incredible. Anyways, guys, there it is, Vellum Skin Enhancer. And honestly, I would say definitely give this a try. I hope this tutorial has helped. And if you are a returning subscriber and made it to the end, drop a comment and thank you. You are awesome. But if you are new, then welcome. I'm Skye. I create everything and anything AI. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Until the next tutorial, guys, thank you as always for coming to see me. I love you all, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.